Hey friends, I think around 6 months ago we bought this Dyson V11 animal. We were pretty happy with it, and today we are going to show how we can use the same vacuum cleaner with just two extensions and clean your car interiors. So yeah, look at my trunk. It's got some dirt and dust. Let's see how effective is this Dyson to clean this up. Yeah, let's get into a video. Wow, it absolutely cleans everything here. So what I'm using here is a carpet cleaner to clean this one. It's really effective. At least I'm satisfied with what it does at the. It does a pretty decent job by cleaning it. Let's see how far it can clean the dust, the small minute dust here. Is not able to clean this part, so if you have some brush here, just take this part out. It looks like it does a decent job here, as you said. And there was a lot of dust here. Now I'm able to, at least it looks clean. Yeah, now let's clean the seat here. There's a lot of sand and other dust here. Let's see how Dyson is able to clean it. mirrors, even on this place. And the mat looks good. Okay, even on here, it's better. On the seats, it requires some washing, but the dust have been cleaned. Great. Thank you for watching the video.